Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to our first of many, I'm sure, Commercial Integrator Expo / CEDIA Expo video casts. And I'm honored to be joined with Michael Peevler, who's the VP of Sales at AtlasIED. Michael, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Gary. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. And, congratulations on a great launch and a series of announcements at InfoComm. And in fact, at InfoComm, many people may not know this, but we awarded your AS series a Best of InfoComm award. And I know that you're going to go to with CEDIA and with the fact that there's a commercial and a residential show together, this gives you a chance to kind of show all of your stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously AtlasIED, a 90-plus-year-old audio manufacturer, but over the last few years, we've been able to grow the company a lot with the addition of a lot of new people and a lot of new resources. So at the CI show, the Commercial Integrator Show, we'll have the opportunity to talk about our new version of Atmosphere, which is the new powered version, the AZM P4 and 8, which has got some really great power sharing, the new XZPS, which is a paging station with a 4.3-inch touch panel. So we'll be able to talk about that. And that's ideal for retail and hospitality from a distributed audio, multi-zone, and management standpoint. And then we'll also be able to talk about the new AS speakers that you mentioned, right? Those are the new surface mount speakers and our good, better, best model.
Yeah.
That's our better. And then we've also got the new Atlas plus Fine solutions to be able to talk about as well.
And that's your best. Let's talk about that for just a second, because you announced, it wasn't an acquisition. It was more of like a partnership and this new Fine product line, which is spelled FYNE, which is Atlas plus Fine partnership. And put a link, and that's your best. And I'll put a link in the description of this video cast wherever you're watching it, so you can go straight to that. It's part of the IsoFlare product line, which I'm sure will be a multi-award winning product line. It looks very different than what you've had before. There's an aesthetic to it that's quite a bit different than what we've seen from you before.
Absolutely. This is a whole different level of product. And part of what we're really doing is reintroducing the AtlasIED brand to a different set of resellers that have historically maybe not considered Atlas as part of that solution by making this technology and partnership investment. So to your point, it's not an acquisition. We invested in a partial ownership and technology partnership with Fine Audio. Fine is a very high-end residential consumer audio product, but all of that engineering staff has background in the commercial audio space years and years ago when Tannoy was founded.
Yeah.
So they know that space well. And so they've helped us introduce a product that we've been able to work and make some adjustments and modifications to bring into the commercial space.
I mean, obviously you've got, the first part of it is speakers, but I'm sure you're going to do a lot more.
Absolutely. Well, first of all, you'll see a lot more form factors of speakers with the Atlas Fine product. With the new IsoFlare solutions. But yeah, we'll absolutely continue to evolve the solution. That and Atmosphere really make a phenomenal solution when you put it all together. It makes for a great distributed audio solution. And as we said with Atmosphere when we introduced it in 2020, it is an ever-evolving platform. And we've come out with a lot of iterations. And I can tell you that I've seen the platform and there's a lot more coming in the future.
Yeah, and all this will be in booth 1418. Can we expect anything new that you'll kind of preview at CEDIA or Commercial Integrator, or will it give more of a chance for everyone in those two markets to see what you launched at InfoComm?
Yeah, and it's absolutely a chance to see, and more importantly, hear what we're doing, because IsoFlare. Are you
going to have a demo room as well?
Well, we're going to have stuff set up in the booth in a way where you'll be able to hear it. We're working with our team. We've added a number of very high-end audio experts and sales and consultant liaison folks who have helped us build out a space that will allow customers to come in and hear the difference it can make. Because the whole point is to change the quality of the experience for their customers. But you need to hear it. You can see it. You can see the images. You can go to the website, and it's all good. We want you to do all of that. What we really want you to do is come in and get a chance to hear it and realize what a difference this can make to the experience of the customer. We know audio has a huge impact on customers in hospitality and retail.
Yeah, and it's the emotion, right? It's the emotion
That's
of
right.
any event, right? You can watch whatever you want to watch, but the emotion comes in from what you hear. So check out AtlasIED at AtlasIED.com. All of this is there. We put in links in the description of this video cast, including a link to Michael's LinkedIn page so that you can connect with him before the show. They're going to be in booth 1418. Definitely make a plan to go by there. Michael will be there. We're excited to see all the new stuff in person at the show as well. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it.
No, thank you. And let me just plug too that starting the day before, I believe there's education sessions. We're doing a session the day before. I believe it's at 10 or 11 a.m. The day before, and it's on the impact of audio and the impact it has in the hospitality and retail space. So we put together a lot of data and a lot of science to begin to show what it actually does. So if you're around Denver, we'd love for you to come see us.
Definitely. Well, thanks again. I appreciate it. And everyone, check out all of our coverage at ravepubs.com.
Awesome.